Hello everyone, here's a question from thermodynamics. Consider the following data. Heat of formation of CO2 is given, heat of formation of water is given, and heat of combustion of benzene is given. We need to figure out the heat of formation of benzene. We can basically write three equations for this. Heat of formation is change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a compound forms from its elements in their standard states, and heat of combustion is change in enthalpy when 1 mole of a substance burns completely in oxygen to form stable oxides. So, let us first write the heat of combustion of benzene, that would be C6H6. If this undergoes combustion, then we would get CO2 gas plus water. Now we have to balance this equation. We have 6 carbon atoms here, so therefore put 6 here. We have 6 hydrogen atoms, so therefore put 3 here, so that we would have 6 hydrogen atoms on the product side. Now on the product side we have 15 oxygen atoms, isn't it? 6 times 2 plus 3, that means 15 by 2 of O2. Now this equation is balanced. Let us write two equations for the heat of formation of CO2 and water. So that is graphite reacting with O2 giving CO2 gas. For this one we have the data, and then H2 gas reacting with half a mole of O2 giving water. For this one also we have the data. For the heat of formation of benzene, what equation we can write? If we say 6 carbons graphite plus 3H2 gas, that is C6H6. Now how we can get to this equation from these three equations? We have to reverse equation 3 at least, isn't it? So that the benzene will be on the product side. So let's do that first. 6 times CO2 plus 3 times H2O giving C6H6 plus 15 by 2 O2. So this means the delta H value we need to change it now. So this would become plus, isn't it? 3267. Because if we are changing products into reactants, then we need to change the sign, and we have to multiply the first equation by 6. So this will be 6 times carbon, 6 times O2, 6 times CO2, and then the second one we have to multiply with the 3, so that if we sum up we can get this one. So 3 times H2, 3 by 2 times O2 and 3 times water. So now if we sum up, we can cancel the common things. 6 times CO2, 6 times CO2, 3 times water, 3 times water, and then 15 by 2 times O2, that we can cancel. 6 times O2 here plus 3 by 2 O2. So together that will be 15 by 2 O2. So now the remaining terms are this one. So this means heat of formation for benzene is equal to 3267 plus 6 times minus 393.5 plus 3 times minus 286. If it is 400, it would be 2400. So 6.5 times 6, that will be 39. So that means this will be 2361 minus 2361. So therefore this is minus 2361, and then minus 286 times 3, that will be 858. So if we are adding 858 here, then it will be 9, 6 plus 5, 11, remaining 1, 8 plus 3, 11 plus 1, 12, remaining 1. So 3219. So 3219 we need to subtract here. 17 minus 9, 8, 5 minus 1, 4. So it would be plus 48 kilojoules per mole. That is the correct answer. So therefore 48 kilojoules per mole is the correct answer.